Good morning, everyone. It's Chad here. May 21st is the date. It is Saturday, and we just got done. Kind of the clouds are breaking, the storm's breaking up. Just got done with our late snow of the year. Thankfully, it wasn't too terribly horrible. I would say we got about, 4 to 6 inches, depending upon the spot, and the drifts and all that. Over here in front of the greenhouse, we're probably more like 8. Must not be too cold in there since one of the fans is on. But I figured you could tag along and let's check on the pumpkin plants together, shall we? I really have minimal concern about it because I checked on them last night when it was in the 20s, and it's still quite warm in here. Oh yeah, the heat's hit me in the face, and it's looking good. It's actually fogging up my glasses, so I have no worries about it. But for the sake of thoroughness, let's just double check them, because why not? So far, this is my plant, my seed, the 1676 new. It's looking pretty good. Really wanting to vine. I need to cut this plant out. This week I'll do that. I'm gonna button this back up though. I don't really want to leave them all the way open because it is still, I don't know, I would think probably in the high 50s, low 60s in here. So just because I want them to stay as warm as possible so they keep on growing, I'll keep these closed. 2350 Ginger, wanting to start to go. Still, it's a real small, kind of spindly, skinny plant. Hopefully it kicks on. I need to watch some of my videos from last year to see what my overall thoughts and how the grow pattern of the 2350 was looking like last year. But that's it for all of those who were wondering, would we survive the late May snow of 2022? The answer is we sure did. Lots of snow, but in here's good. That's it. Subscribe to the channel. We'll see you with your regularly scheduled update later next week. See ya. Hold the phone, everybody. Hold the phone. I figured I would just kind of show you this before I ended the video. Before, it was probably, I don't know, maybe it was like 8 or 9, and it's about between 1:30 2 o'clock right now. And just look how nice it is. This is a beautiful day. And the fans are going on full force. I kind of took a nap with the kiddos, and now I'm sure it's really hot in here. I won't show you, but I just wanted to show you what the difference a few hours makes in Colorado in our wacky springtime. Thanks for watching.